So what exactly is NoteGPT? NoteGPT is an AI-powered learning assistant that can summarize YouTube videos, PDFs, articles, lectures, PowerPoints, and more. But it's also a full workspace where you can organize everything you learn, create your own notes, highlight key ideas, and build a smart library of your knowledge. If you watch long tutorials, attend webinars, take online courses, or study complex topics, NoteGPT helps you digest information faster, stay organized, and revisit everything later without losing track. Let's start with NoteGPT's most popular feature, the YouTube Video Summarizer. Just grab any YouTube video link, I'll use our video link, long lectures, business talks, tutorials, anything, paste it into NoteGPT, hit Generate Summary, and the AI pulls the full transcript and produces a clean, structured summary. As you can see here, we get key points, time-stamped ideas, full breakdown of sections, optional detailed summary, and your own notes panel on the right. It's a very informative summary I've ever seen so far. You can also find the summary chapter here. You can also copy it with or without timestamps, download the summary, choose the language, and turn on subtitles. You can also jump to specific sections if needed. Now let's try the AI PDF for PDFs. Just click the PDF summarizer, upload any document, textbooks, research papers, reports, and NoteGPT does the rest. This is a lifesaver for dense documents or work reports. The AI PDF summarizer is unbelievably accurate, turns long textbooks into clean, structured notes instantly. The mind map feature is next level. It visually breaks down complex PDF topics like magic. For lectures or AI presentations, you can upload or create a PowerPoint and get a clean summary, perfect for reviewing slides before meetings or exams. Step 1. Enter your topic or upload a file, paste a website link, or add a YouTube link. Let's say I want to enter the topic and I like the social media passive income. You can also choose the language, English, Deutsch, Italiano, Portuguese, and more. Next, select the tone, professional, friendly, persuasive, etc. Then choose the length, brief, medium, or detailed. Finally, select the model, Basic Model, GPT, or DeepSeek version 3. For this example, we'll choose GPT. Step 2. Modify the outline. Step 3. Select your template. Let's say I like this yellow minimalist summary template. Uh, wow. I'm honestly amazed at how good the AI presentation generator is. I entered a topic, and within seconds, it created a full PowerPoint-style slide deck that actually made sense. The structure was perfect: introduction, key points, explanations, examples, and a solid conclusion. It felt like something a professional educator or trainer would create. You can also preview the full outline right here. And if you want to start from scratch, you can instantly create a brand new presentation. And the best part, everything is fully editable. You can add new slides, rewrite any text, change fonts, adjust sizes, make things bold, whatever you need. You can also customize the layout of each slide to match your style, and even rearrange elements by sending them forward or backward. And the coolest feature? You can change the entire theme to match your personal or business branding, colors, styles, and overall vibe. Plus, you can drop in your own images to make your presentation clean, modern, and uniquely yours. Then, if everything looks good for you, download it. There's also the AI flashcards. Instead of spending hours creating study cards manually, the AI does everything for you. Just upload a PDF, type a topic, or drop in a YouTube link, and within seconds, it generates clean, organized flashcards with the most important information. Let's say create flashcards with the term metaphor and an example sentence in English literature. Here's the result. It pulls out key terms, definitions, formulas, dates, everything you actually need to remember. Plus, the layout is super clean and easy to study. You can flip through the cards, quiz yourself, and repeat the ones you want to master. Let's explore one of the most powerful features in NoteGPT, AI math and homework. Whether you're a student, a parent helping with assignments, or just someone tackling tricky problems, this tool will save you hours of work. You can drag and drop an image or PDF, paste a link, or type your problem directly. It's that simple. For example, solve for x. 3x plus 7 equals 22. Watch as NoteGPT walks you through the solution step by step. Wow, this is the fastest way to solve your math problems ever. Let's try another sample. Let's say find the area of a rectangle. Length equals 8 centimeters, width equals 5 centimeters. What is the area? All right, let's solve this super fast. The area of a rectangle is length times width. So we take 8 and multiply it by 5, and boom, that gives us 40. Don't forget the units, that's 40 centimeters squared. Easy peasy, right? And the last part for this video is one of my favorite features is the note library. Every summary you generate, videos, PDFs, PPTs, articles, is automatically stored here. You can rename files, sort by category, and add your own notes or highlights. Over time, this becomes your personal knowledge base, something you can grow and return to whenever you need it. And that's your full NoteGPT walkthrough. If you want a tool that helps you learn faster, stay organized, and save hours every week, try NoteGPT for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment if you want a full tutorial. Thanks for watching. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.